There's a picture of a Harley Davidson. Nice mag wheels, V-twin air cooled, long forks. It's just spring suspension, chain drive. There's the clutch, crankshaft. Another picture of a Harley Davidson. It says on there Kieran's dream machine, but it's not my dream machine. It's a sports bike. My mum got me for my birthday. Air cooled twin. Not bad. Here's my dream machine that I used to have. It's a Suzuki GSXR 1000 K6. It's pretty quick. Nice bike. Handles pretty well. Got a Yoshimura exhaust on there. Titanium. There's the crash helmet. Gloves on the seat. Yeah, it's quite good. The radio controlled GSXR 1000 K6 is alright. There's a paddock stand there. You can actually adjust these, move them up and down to alter your ground clearance, where it leans over. Yeah. With the rider as well, when you lean to the left, this rider moves to the left like that, moves forward. Yeah, quite a good bike. Very fast. Don't wheel very much though, you just let it go. Sometimes if you're not quick on the throttle, it just flops over to the side and spins around and around and around. But apart from that, it's alright. Remote control for it. Bit dusty. There's a charger. There's a Honda CBR 600 model. Yeah, nice bike. Under seat exhaust pipe, the last bit dull here. There's a Suzuki Hayabusa, got about 178 horsepower, top speed about 186, 189, it's not restricted. That's the model of it. Twin exhausts, not bad. No Suzuki GSXR 1000 K6. Yeah, nice bike. These are clean. There's a back end. Yeah, nice bike. Anyway, thanks for watching.